Right, we're at July Paramotor Club. It's quite a busy weekend. Got some competition practice going on. A lot of the club members, and we've got a few guests as well, all hosted by Barney, who's overseeing it all and taking the scores, etc. Tricky conditions today, the wind's all over the place, switching around. It's in my favour at the moment, but chances are by the time I'm hooked in, it will change again. Hooked in, ready to fly. Woo, bit of lift. Heading for my first checkpoint. Slight tailwind. My first checkpoint is where those that tree line goes across that field, and the forest on the other side. It's the junction of that road. Dropping some hikes, it's a little bit bumpy. 900 feet is a lot smoother. Pick up this first checkpoint, right down there, for 2 points. I got my checkpoint. Yep, on to the next one. Checkpoint 2. Follow this road towards Dickett. Engine seems to be running okay. So we've got 2.6 miles to the next checkpoint. Travelling at 34 miles per hour. I reckon 5 minutes to get there. So this checkpoint is at the end of this road. Getting a bit bumpy at 800 feet. My next checkpoint is a crossroad or T-junction here, where that road joins this road I'm flying over. It's a roundabout. So now I'm on the checkpoint, go straight over it, make sure I get my 2 points, and turn north now. On to the next checkpoint, straight over. Now we need to be 1,000 feet over Trotfest, or go around, because it's an open assembly. I think I'll go around it slightly. Make sure I've got that Landau option on my right, get some height. Whoa! Bit of turbulence. Must be the heat off the festival blowing towards me. So the next checkpoint is on a bridge, I think, on the A34. Bring the trims in a bit, get a bit more efficiency. Been flying about 20 minutes, a little bit turbulent again. Maybe this is brownfields. Roundabout, next checkpoint. It's checkpoint 3, on to checkpoint 4 now. So I'm at 870 feet right now. It's 10 to 6, heading towards my next checkpoint. Bit of cricket going on down there. That's my Landau option on the left. Always thinking of a Landau option, especially after my reliability issues recently. I'm going to be following this road. Oh, we've been flying 30 minutes. Let's check the fuel burn. Still got full tank on that side. Heading northwest at the moment. 1.4 miles to the next checkpoint. So, checkpoint is where that white house is, I think, on a crossroad. We're 650 feet right now above the ground. 3/4 of a mile, half a mile now. Checkpoint 4. I think it's beyond the house. I think it's that road there is my checkpoint. Yeah, it's my checkpoint. This T-junction. It's almost a crossroads with that track, but I think it's a T-junction. And now I've got to turn around and get the next checkpoint. So we're heading south now. For 2.5 miles to the next checkpoint. I'll line myself up between those buildings and that pylon in the distance. I think we make a nice straight line.
Another cricket match going on down there, and it looks like they've been watering the grass. Let's get a picture. It's quite an interesting one. 1.8 miles to go. We got a crossroads checkpoint again. 3/4 of a mile from here. Must be here. Yep, it is here. Next checkpoint, waypoint 6. It's towards the west. 1,000 feet. It's a lot rougher than about 800, so I'm gonna descend a bit. Right, where are we heading now? We're heading west. Follow this road to a T-junction. 2.7 miles away. Whoa, bumpy air there. Oh, and again. Must be the transition layer where it's a bit smoother down about 700 or 800 feet. Land out option. They're 2 miles away from the checkpoint, so it must be beyond that brown field. It's just before it, I think. It's that Y junction where I'm heading for the checkpoint. 48 minutes now. It's not this one, it's the next one. 1.4 miles away. Let's check the fuel burn. I've used 6 litres. It's about 6 litres an hour. It's at the end of this road where the forest is. That's my next checkpoint anyway. I've got some land out options there. That's a nice green field. Doesn't look like there's any power lines. Half a mile. And then we're going that way. It's turn point number 6. Now on to turn point 8, I guess. Turn point 7 rather. Follow that road over there, I guess. Must be a lot of jumpy, funny air coming off the forest because I'm getting thrown around all over the place. 530 feet, so Hatford. Next waypoint, 1.5 mile away, just under. Let's get some height. It's that junction there I need to head for. It's my next checkpoint. Walking Lake over there. I know where I am. Whoa! Getting some lift. Next checkpoint is 7.8 miles away, which will make me 10 miles away from my takeoff. Downwind. Say 30 miles per hour. 20 minutes to get back. I will need good 3 litres. No, I won't. I will need about 2 litres. Only I've got 5. Shoot! Straight and level. I don't like being thrown around. 3.5 litres. Next checkpoint is just there. Last checkpoint, the White Horse. Don't know if I'm still recording. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, still going. Been flying about an hour and a half now. We've got 2.5 litres of fuel left. Started at 12. Good smoke indicator. Wind is coming from the west. Looks like a paraglider on the top of the hill. You see where a paraglider or someone from our club has landed out. There's a plane over there. Is it paraglider or is it paramotor? Paraglider. All good.
Clive got 28. Smashed around it. Clive, 28 turn points.
No way.
No, 29. Sorry, 58 points.
Yeah, because
29
he
turn
can fly
points.
without map. Who did that?
No,
Clive.
further than that.
In 4 hours, 20 minutes in the air.
Go away, it's mine.
Okay. This is my mate's house, my friend's house. This is castle, this is crossing. Yeah, I like this pub, yeah, I know this shop, yeah.